To constantly face the music without an inch of doubt on one's face, a batter must be well equipped, not just with skills, but also with gears of safety. And among all the threats that a batter faces, the head is critical and the helmet crucial. All set to take a look at the helmet and the science that protects a batter. A delivery, by virtue of its speed, possesses momentum. Notice when a high-speed ball hits the head, most of the ball's momentum gets transferred to the head in a flash, creating a lethal impact. And within the head, the brain hits the skull, giving rise to internal bleeding and cell damage. To avoid this, what if we provide a protective rigid shell? Notice with a high-speed ball now, as it collides, the shell absorbs the impact instead of the head. But as the shell is in direct contact with the head, the absorbed impact is spread instantly across the area of the head, causing concussion. In addition, what if we introduce a layer of foam between the head and the shell? Now, the foam takes the absorbed impact from the shell, reducing the momentum of the ball over a period of time, nullifying the impact before it reaches the head. In other words, the force of impact varies inversely with the time within which the impact occurs. This is Newton's second law of motion. The same principle protects the tortoise from external threats, and that's how the helmet protects a batter from the opposition's guided missile of a delivery. Anyone know the first batter to use a helmet ever? Comment below and stay tuned to Wicket to Wicket.